What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today I fixing my mistake on the Nissan B13. So yep, after we paint the whole thing, it looks nice. The car is not leaking through the valve cover gasket, but I believe the grommets didn't seal properly, and you guys can see how everything looks. The black actually in the middle just helps to cover the oil that spilled. And again, this is the spark plug wires. You guys can see how they look, and yeah, I think they didn't seal properly, so I'm just gonna remove it again and see if this time I can actually put them the way it should go, because I don't want any more leaks over here. Alright, so went ahead and removed all the bolts from the valve cover, and over here is an idea how the grommet looks. I have the light on this one. I don't know if the best way to get it done, but just to show you, if you focus. So everything is loose, as you guys can see, and this grommet, right, it's supposed to be just like in it like that. That's the way it should go. And for example, most of them they wear with the gasket on top like that, when it should be just in. Just to give you an idea, an example, I mean, it should be something like this, like that. You see here that it's on the top, it shouldn't be like that. So what I'm going to try to do is just to basically make sure all of them have the rubber inside like that, and then we torque everything back, and hopefully that fixes our issue. Also, I find out that my blow valve all this time was not working, and because I have it connected to a source that weren't working properly. So now the blow valve is working. So all this time I've been having compression surge on the turbo, no a big deal. So now the car sounds a lot different. So let me actually get this done, and hopefully I'm just gonna put the GoPro on the car, because I'm gonna take the car home today, so make sure that that thing gets fixed. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, and you guys can see I got these two to fit the way it should. As you guys can see, you can see the spark plug tube. Everything looks the way it should. This one is done. You guys can see that on this one you cannot see it because the rubber is on top. So I'm just going to basically get these two to look like these ones. I'm gonna have to remove the spark plugs, make sure it's not oil in there, because you guys can see it is oil on the tubes, and that's no bueno. So let me get these two ready. I'm just going to take out the spark plugs, clean them, make sure they look good, and put everything back and see how it works. So I got all the bolts already. I'm just getting ready to start torquing them again like the last time. I'm not gonna record it because you guys saw it on the last video, but now you guys can see the spark plug tubes. You can actually see them now. Before they were covered with a grommet rubber on top, and most likely that was the issue. So I'm learning something new right now, because I have no clue about it. This is the second time I do it, and obviously the first time was leaking. I redo it again, and now the second time is still leaking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the car home tonight and use it for tomorrow, and actually test to see if they stop the leak that I was having. So I already removed the spark plugs. You guys can see the mess that I have here. Just gonna go ahead now and clean it up, make sure the tubes are completely clean, because obviously I don't want no oil in there. and after that just put everything back, and that should be it. So I got not the new, but the same spark plugs in. I cleaned them. You guys can see the tubes look very clean. I mean, that's the best I could do. All of them are in. Actually, I did not calibrate them because I don't have the calibration tool right now. I can find it. This ball actually gave me a hard time. It's about to let go, so I just hope it doesn't leak through here. If this ball let go, I might have to get a bigger one and actually put like a nut under here because I almost tripped. I don't know why, because I torqued it to the same thing as last time. Had the wires here, and I end up taking out the bottom part because sadly last time 2 of them stood inside the spark plug tube, and to take this out from here is a headache. So this one is about to let go, so just take out all 4, and I'm gonna make sure most of them are clean, no oil like that, and put it in and start up the car and see how it goes. Car's on. Gonna let it warm up and see how it goes. So as you can see, there's a lot of smoke in the garage right now, and it's because all the oil I went inside the pistons. But yeah, let me see how that goes. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. Learn from my mistakes. Don't do the grammar mistake that I did twice. So I hope this time this gets fixed. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one.